Ay, naku, Ninang, I pushed her. Nakakainis naman kasi. Sabi na lahat daw ng wedding plans nila ay perfect. Di ko na talaga natiis eh. Tinulak ko na lang.
Buti nga sa kanya. Pero, sigurado ka bang wala nakakita sa inyo? Ayokong malaman ni Jaime ang plano natin.
I don't think so, Ninang.
It's good.
Ma'am Lucille,
Yes?
can we talk in private?
Whatever you can say to Lucille in private, you can say it to me.
Ano ba? May problema ba?
I saw you. You pushed Mama Andrea. Nakita ng mga mata ko.
So, what are you planning to do about it?
Well, technically, si Sir Jaime at si Ma'am Andrea ang kliyente ko. It's just but normal na I protect their best interest. So, isusumbong kita. And I'm just giving you a fair warning.
A fair warning, my arse. Magkano ba gusto mo? How much do you need para tumahimik ka dun sa nakita mo?
Sorry, that's very unethical considering they're my clients.
Okay. Will 50,000 do?
Okay,
Yun naman pala eh.
in Euro. Okay. And now, since kliyente na rin kita, it's just but normal for me to protect your best interest as well. I love it.
Buti naman nagkakaintindihan na tayo.
Very good. Siguraduhin mo lang na hindi makakarating kay Jaime ang nakita mo. Okay?
Yes, madam.
And since ako na nagpapasweldo sa'yo, you need to help us achieve our goals.
Goals? like what goals?
Well, you have to make sure that the wedding of Jaime and Andrea will not push through. Understand?